Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. AI is progressing at a rapid breakneck speed. I just stumbled upon this new project called as Chaplin, and let me show you how useful that project is, and then we will proceed further with this project. Let me play a short video clip. Now if you look at this clip, which is from the repo, and I will drop the link in video's description, this is a silent speech recognition tool. Person is speaking and AI is reading the lips and then converting it into words. How good is that? The cool thing is that this project is all open source, all free, all local, runs 100% locally, and that is what I'm going to show you step by step in this video. I might not be able to do the full blown demo because I am using thin link virtual client, so my local camera might not be visible in my virtual environment, but don't worry, as long as you follow this and if you have the necessary equipment, you can run it easily locally. So what is happening behind the scene is that this project is using auto AVSR models, and I will also give you the link shortly. And more importantly, this is the secret sauce behind this project. It is using this lip reading sentence tree dataset, which is primarily a collection of TED and TEDx videos which don't have any overlap. They have around 300 to 600 videos, I believe, and that is how this model has been fine tuned on top of it, and that is how it is doing the lip reading. Pretty cool. Also, for language model, it uses Llama 3.2, which you can easily get from Olama. Olama is one of the easiest tools to run large language models locally in a quantized format. And if you don't know what Olama is, just search my channel. I have done heaps of videos on Olama alone. So let's try to get it installed and then we will see how it works. Let me also give a huge shout out to Mast Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. So this is the GPU which I'm going to use, and this is my Ubuntu system which I'm using, Ubuntu 22.04. First up, let's install UV, which is a Rust based Python package manager. It is going to download it and then it is going to install it, which it already has done. We can then add this to our local path or to our bash profile, and then we can restart it. So let me add it there with this command, as I am using bash here, and that is done. And you can see that I am running the latest version of UV, which is 0.5.26. Next, let's git clone the repo of Chaplin, and I will also drop the link in video's description. And now we need to download two models. Let me take you to those models. So these have been placed in these Google Drives by the creator, and you can find the link from the repo and the repo's link in my video's description. So first up, let's download this lmen subvert.zip. Both are zip files. Let's click on download here. You just have to wait once you click on it, and then it says this, it is 199 MB. Save link as, and then go to wherever you have git clone the Chaplin repo, go to benchmark lrs3 language model, and then save the zip file in this language model directory. It has been saved, that's cool. I'll just close it, and then let's go to the second model, click on download, and then right click on this, save link as, go back to LRS3, go to model, and then go to save. And again, it has around 894 meg, so let's click here on download. Okay, you see, once you download like this, it just says open.html, so it hasn't downloaded. So this is a problem which I face normally. So what I do in that case, sometime it does, so I just click on this download anyway. This downloads the whole file. So let's wait for it. And this time it has downloaded both the models properly. You see in the language models we have this zip file of lmen subword, and then in the models we have this lrsv var19.1.zip. Next step is to unzip these files. You can either do it through CLI or you can just right click here and do extract here. That is done. Next up, also go here and then extract this zip file, and that should be done too. That's all done. So make sure your directory structure is like this, and you can also confirm that the PyTorch model is there in language model and it is also present in our LRS. That's all done. Okay, so these are the models which were needed, and if you want you can delete those zip files. Now once that's done, let's go back to our terminal, and then next step is to get our Ollama model. In order to get Ollama model, make sure that Ollama is already installed. So if I do Ollama list, this is my Ollama already running. If you don't know how to run Ollama, just go to Ollama's website, click on download. For Linux, just run this command. It is going to install Ollama. For Windows and Mac, download these executable and next, and you should be able to install it. So as you can see, I already have it installed. So I'm just going to download the Llama 3.2 model by doing Ollama pull, and the size is just 2 gig. So let's wait for it to get downloaded, and it is going to verify the checksum. While it does, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's go back. Ollama's model is done meanwhile, and this is our Ollama's model. So this is the whole installation which was needed with all the prerequisites. And now in order to run Chaplin, all you need to do is to run this command. This command is going to use uv to install requirements, and then it is going to kick off this main.py with these model files. As I said, my camera might not work here because I am in my remote session, but if you have camera available in your remote session, or if you're running it locally where on your local system where you have camera directly attached, it is going to load it. But anyway, let me run it to show you how it looks like. So it is installing all the prerequisites from the root of the repo. And the installation is done, and as you can see that it is complaining about my camera here. So it is not available in my VNC session. But this is the whole installation step, and then it is going to pop up that window which I showed you earlier in the demo. Like this, and from here you can simply just start speaking, and it is going to do the speech recognition. Try it out, let me know how it goes, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.